All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about HTTP cookies. Okay, so cookies, I'm going to give you kind of a brief background of what I've been doing in web development and why I love cookies, but also they drive me nuts. Okay, so when I was developing websites, I would write out code and I would be using Google Chrome. And Google Chrome loves cookies. So now I'm going to explain to you what cookies are and then I'll continue my story. So an HTTP cookie, web cookie, browser cookie, is a small piece of data that a server sends to the user's web browser. The browser may store it and send it back with later requests to the same server. Typically, it's used to tell if two requests came from the same browser, keeping a user logged in, for example, or remembers stateful information for stateless HTTP protocol. Cookies are mainly used for three purposes: session management, login, shopping carts, game scores, or anything else the server should remember; personalization, user preferences, themes, and other settings; and tracking, recording and analyzing user behavior. Okay, cookies were once used for general client-side storage. While this was legitimate when they were the only way to store data on the client, it is now recommended to use modern storage APIs. Cookies are sent with every request, so they worsen performance, especially for mobile data connection. Modern APIs for client storage are web storage API, local storage and session storage, and indexed database. Okay, so let me continue my story now. So when I was building websites locally on my computer, I was using Chrome. And what would happen is I would type out a bunch of code, update the page, and then I would send it to the local server. Okay. But what happened was I didn't clear the cookies. So every time I would go to the web browser to look at my updated page, it would be the same as it was before, which used to drive me nuts. So what I would do is I'd clear the cache, which basically means you clear out the cookie files on your browser and then you refresh the page and then it updates what you need. Okay. So cookies have a special place in my heart. Sometimes I want to pull my hair out. Other times I love them. Okay. So HTTP cookies are very important to understand. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.